Electronic diagnostic Honda Odyssey 1995, one of the best car. We have this car here and we bought it, but you see, door lock unlock doesn't work. Door lock unlock doesn't work. So what we need to do first, this car here, it have a fuse that's under the hood at this side here. You see, if you look at the data here, you're gonna see here it says door lock. The fuse number 1, number 2 is a door lock. So if you open this cover here, you're gonna see the row, the outer row. So this one or this one of them, the first one, the second one, that's the fuse for this car. Maybe you're gonna put the fuse like this, fuse box like this, and you're gonna see the row coming this way, and you have this way. So the first one, the second one is for the door. So I have the tester light. I'm gonna go inside there. I'm gonna check it. You see here, I have power, and the next one I have power. That means I have 12 volt, and I have 12 volt here. That means my fuse is good. What next? Okay, this car, the door lock controlled by a computer, and that computer is located here inside this door panel. So our job is now to take this door panel out and look inside that module to see, not this one. This one we're gonna take it slowly. I don't know if there is something holding it, but inside there there is a module there. The module to get input from the door switch here. So what's gonna happen now is we are going to look for we're gonna open this door panel. The first thing we did is we open this place here. We move the screw that is there. It was located in this place. We take it out. Okay. We move it, and then we move this one here. Now we're gonna deal with all this stuff here. If there's any screw, we will look at it. If there's any screw here or anything, we're gonna take it out. I don't believe there is anything here, but look, we have a piece here too. So we're gonna take this piece here, and then we pull out this, and then we have one here too. So we're gonna take them out, and then we take it, we see what can be done. Okay, one fell down there. It fell out, but we're gonna be sure that we'll be able to take it out. When you take it out, be sure that don't break it. Yeah, go front a little bit, because you have those hooks here. Don't try to break it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this one out. I'm gonna move that clips, push it inside, and then it will come out. So we're gonna disconnect this now, because if you don't disconnect, no, just ballet after this. Okay, you see here. Yep. This one is 2 connectors. So one is here. And then behind it there is a big connector here. If you cannot, push it here. Now this is the switch for Honda Odyssey 1995 power window switch and power mirror. For the door lock switch is on another plate. We're gonna come here, we try to open this slowly. Do we have to open from this side or another side? So just be sure that you open it from the right way. Take it out, put it there, and you have flip screwdriver. Take it out slowly, even though it's loose, but be sure that don't let it fall somewhere. Now the second place we need to go, this one. Either you can take it from here or from inside. You see here, it's not gonna work. So you're gonna wait. When you disconnect it from outside, this is if you want to change the bulb. To look for something else. This also one of the tools that you need it. So you put it here and then push it, you see? Just go slowly. Okay, don't damage the car. And don't cut your hand too, because sometimes those plastic heads are very sharp. Okay, especially when you have. Yes, now you see here, take everything out. This one, try to take it out slowly from the back, and then pull it out. Now we're gonna put this here in the corner, and then we have to come to our place. As I told you, this car, the door lock, unlock module is controlled by this computer. See this computer, they call it door control module. Sometimes this door control module, it go bad. Okay, even what we need to do here, open the hood and give me the tester there, please. Okay, this is the one that control door lock and unlock. This is small machine, the small piece here. You want to take it out, you don't want to take it out. First of all, we need to check our power and ground. If power ground is good, we have inputs from here. You see these 2 wires, 3 wires here. One is ground, one is lock and unlock. Those inputs, they're coming here. If you see the white and this one. But what about the others? Some of them, we have power, we have ground, and we have lock and unlock. They all working together. But we must have power, some kind of power. This machine here, it have one power coming there. If the power doesn't come here, that means could be somewhere broke in this area. So let's go and check. I don't know what color, but
You don't have this.
I don't need that one. I'm gonna check first. This my ground is good. Yellow and this is I don't see nothing there. Yeah, I have power here. This is my power. The wide wire is power. So I don't know what I have again, but some of them are input and output. So now what I need to do, I will put my machine here. This one is supposed to get ground in one of them. Maybe the black one is ground. I have ground. So whenever you give here or here, you're gonna give grounds. Lock and unlock. The signal gonna come to the module. If the module is no good, we will know now. How you know the module is no good? If we have power ground and input output is there and it still doesn't work. Okay, let me see here. This is a ground. Okay, what do you hear? I don't have nothing. I'm supposed to get some kind of signal. You see? I'm getting signal good. Look here. That means we have information coming here, but it looks like this thing doesn't want to process anything. Wow, why he doesn't want to work? Sometimes by clicking in, clicking out, the relay go bad, and everything can mess up for you. I'm gonna try to take it out. Disconnect this first. Take this piece out. And I will look for the module slowly to see if some soldering or anything go bad with it. Who knows? This is, we're talking about, this is student circuit. You know, those are capacitors, resistors, and you have to go here and look for it. You see here? You see here? This is like this solder. You see? The solder is gone. And if this solder is gone, this is power, I believe. You see one? This one here is K here. And if you look at this, it could be the power itself, or the ground, or anything, or the signal. You see here? Yes. When you look here, the second one or the third one, it could be either the power, ground, or the signals that are supposed to leave the relay. So before I go crazy, I'm gonna try to go and look at all this circuit and solder them. If nothing is go bad, it will start working. So we will come back. If not, we have to buy a new one. We are back here. Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. If you remember, we just opened what they call the door control module for Honda Odyssey 1995. It could be 95, 96, 97, but the older Honda Odyssey, it doesn't work. We check the power, ground, everything is good, but it doesn't work. When we open it, look here, look at this place here. You see here? You see, it's like the solder is moved. You see, there is nothing here. So what we are going to do is, I use my machine and I say, you know what? I'm not gonna wait till everything's messed up. I have my solder. You see, this is very small one, but it's gonna work. And I have my solder here also. I will heat it up slowly. If it doesn't heat up, that means it's still nothing, something is not good. Okay, it's off. The tool is off. I'm gonna open it and I will turn it 950 degree. And now I will wait. You're gonna see the change will happen soon. Heat is coming. And you see, now start working fine. See, Yes, I'm gonna wait a little bit. When it's heat up, I will put it in that place, and I have to be sure that all of them are okay. I need to be sure that this will make them live. So I'm gonna put everything here. Yes, he got it. He said, I'm waiting for this solder for a long time. Oh, good. It's almost like everything is desoldered and melted in there, and it's good now. Anyone else need something? Yeah, maybe this one. Let me give you some. Yes, good. Anyone need something here? No. Based on my diagnosis, everything is shiny and clean. Nothing move. Maybe, is there anywhere caught? No, nothing caught. Now, we are going to try to put it back. And then from there, I'm going to turn this one off. To turn it off, you have to put your hand. You see there, that tool. This is one of the good, very nice station. So you put your hand like this, it come off. You put it on, you come on, and then you can reduce the pressure or the temperature or go like this. This is the second one. Good, good. What do you want to do? You want to turn it off? Go behind. Turn it off. Finish. If you need holder by hot air, you can use that one. This one here, you can use it. You use, it's like a hair dryer. You use it and it have some kind of, like this one here. And then you put it next to the processor that you need to desolder it, and it will take it out. So now we finish with this one here. We're gonna go out and plug it in and see what is the response. We are back at our car, and the car is waiting for us. He said, where is my brain for making the door unlock work? So hold it please, and follow my hands. I'm going to put, look at this project is so beautiful. This is the first technology when before door lock unlock are electrical. When I say electrical, that means power ground go together. The switches are polarity. Now, this one here is controlled by computer. We have a small chip here, F0850800, and a couple of resistance capacitors based on this one, and we have a relay here. And this relay, that the one power go into it through the connector, and it will work. If you have the diagram of this computer, you can make one by yourself. Okay, I remember when Radio Shack have all this stuff. Online also you can get all this stuff to build those. Okay, now I'm gonna put, if it doesn't work, we're gonna get another one, but I feel like it's gonna work. Now I'm looking for the small piece. You see? This one here to cover this piece after it's going in. Maybe through, maybe it's gonna be like this. Just let us know please if there's anything wrong. Okay? Here is good. Now I'm gonna put my connector. You remember the fuse there is okay. Now where is the switch? Here, let's see. Yeah, working. See? Look there. Look other side. Look that one. So everything is working, thank God. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now we're gonna put this one. Don't put it this way. The cover will not cover, so put it this way. This is the diagnostic that we made, and we found that the problem was the module is no good, and the module is located or is here. Let me look at that thing that fell out of my hand. I don't know where it's gone. So I'm gonna put this one here. I'm gonna tie this one. Okay. When this first car come, we check the fuses. The fuses, as I told you. And then after that, command, power, ground. And by the way, the remote starter, remote alarm that the people sell it aftermarket is the same thing. You have lock and unlock wireless. That's why when you have it, they connect the remote wire to these two wires, which is white and black and orange. And then when you push the remote for the door, it will send signal here to them there, and that one we send ground and power here and door lock and unlock work. So now we are good here. This one I don't like. If you can put it, okay. If it does sit, you don't need to worry about it. But let's try to put it back. Here is the switch. Here I'm gonna send it. Now we need the door to put all the stuff back. This one first for the light. That's okay. So the light come on. This for the windows. Now you go slowly. Be sure to put this one.
I gotta put the picture.
Okay. After this, go back. Everything is okay, you know. Technology, the past, the present, and the future of the technology. Okay. Everything look good here, right? Okay. Now, don't forget to have those out. The only thing we don't want to get in trouble with, some of the wire must come through here because it's belong to the door lock unlock here. You see it? Switch. Some of them for the mirror, and I have one or two. This one two here for the window switch. So they have to come the first. This one, don't try to pull it out like this again because you have to pull the door and disconnect it from back because sometimes they have screws tied to it from inside. So I'm gonna put this one here, and I'm gonna put the other one here. Turn it. This for the windows, and now this one here for the mirror, power mirror. And now this power mirror on Honda, if you go back to the year, you know, 1995, 96. Today is 2005, 20 years power mirror. Okay, now I have this and I have this. We have to manage to put it slowly. If you force it, you're gonna break it. So go with this, go slowly in and turn this one, you see? Turn it to clip. Now the connector is here. The most important after you put the connector is to this one. You have to go all the way here and push back. You see? Don't just push it in. You have a grips. You go from here and go down. After you put it in, be sure everything is okay. You're gonna put the screw that's supposed to be in here. You have one screw there, small one. Put it in and go with it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's gonna go all the way there to hold it. This one good. What do we have? We have one here too. See, we have one here. That's a big one here. Don't forget to put it correctly. You see here? This one here, even when I was tightening it, it was loose. And it have a cover. This cover is supposed to come, for example, be sure that to put it the right way. See? You're gonna put it in this way. And now you have one screw here. It's here. Yeah, somebody put a washer here. I see the washer. I got it. So you don't need that thing go all the way inside and fall. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I put this one here. Put the washer. Okay, now I'm gonna open the key. Start the car. Put the window down. Now I'm gonna close this. Close this. And look at this door. Okay. See? Beautiful work, right? Thank you for watching more.